Oh, yeah, he's out there.
Hi, Winston. Winston bugger. You cool with snow?
He's still trying to figure it out. Like, what the heck is this stuff?
Oh, no, another. Oh.
Oh, look, she's eating out of the, or drinking out of that ice from the container that I dumped out.
Yeah, that's funny. Oh yeah, they're starting to come out now.
Like, hey, not so bad with the sun shining. We can do this. Hi, Winston. Not so bad, huh, buddy? He's so cute. Here you go, ladies. There you go.